Did you just target this little plaza or what?
Yeah, fuck it. Alright guys, so currently we're pulling up. We're, how do you say it? We're meeting up with everybody here. Let me park real quick and then I'll go ahead and talk to y'all.
Georgie, where you at? I'm outside, bro.
Hey, who is talking? Oh, for real? Alright guys, so currently we're here meeting up with everybody else. Right now it's just me, Mike, Jess. We got JD over here to the right of me, and we got John.
No.
We got John and George over there. And we're gonna be heading to a meet in a bit at 11. It's 10:36 right now. I'll go ahead and show y'all what's up right now once everybody gets here. We got everybody right here, guys. We got John. Say what's up to the vlog, guys.
What's up? What's up? Coming in hot.
Go for it, Jess. We're already hitting up the meet. We're supposed to start at 11, but we're gonna be there a little bit early, like 5-10 minutes. It's a little far. It's like a 10-minute, 15-minute drive. And yeah, so right now we're currently driving over there. Alright guys, so currently we're pulling up to the meet.
I don't know. It looks like a foot. I don't think so. Nah, it's not him.
Like I said, the meet doesn't start to 11. It's currently 10:51, so we are a bit early. But we are gonna pull up, get a good parking spot for everybody. Everybody fits. We'll update y'all right now. Alright guys, so we were pulling up to another spot because the cops came and they kicked us out. So pulling up to another spot. There's a lot of cars out tonight. And I think I might get a run in with that 2-valve, my homie JD.
Hey, you really gonna call out refill or not?
They should be good runs.
Let me show y'all this world's smallest dab.
Let me see it, let me see it. Ooh. Alright guys, we're leaving the location because, like I said, cops are hot tonight. So we're gonna head to another spot, then hopefully go to the real spot where the runs happen. I'll update y'all right now in a bit. Alright guys, so currently we're going to Mexico. We got Don right here to the left of me. We got Daniel in the front. And we got the whole pack. I don't know if y'all can see. We got the whole pack behind me. But yeah, we're gonna head to Mexico. Then my friend JD with the 2-valve, he did want to race me. These are all friendly runs. He just wants to see where he's at. And he's pretty fast. I know he's kept up with full bolts on V6. So we'll show you all the runs, see how that is. Oh, am I surrounded by boosted cars, dog? Currently we have a ride to Mexico. Hey, send Danny location, find Danny. We have a ride to Mexico, guys. I'm gonna let the car cool down real quick, and then after I let the car cool down, then I'll get those runs in. Alright guys, currently gonna race full bolts on 2-valve, my homie JD.
Yeah, we'll be good.
Alright. Hey, so 20?
Yeah, 20. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, baby. Damn, I spun a little bit into his lane, but I still got him. I got kind of scared right there. That was a 20 roll against a full bolt on 2-valve. So I think we're gonna do a 40 now. caught me sleeping, not gonna lie. He caught me sleeping. But I got him on that 42. I got him on both rows. I think it was like a car or 2 cars, I'm not sure. But I think that's it unless he wants to do another one. Damn, that was a good race. I spun on the first one into his lane a little bit, but after that, that's when I caught traction and, well, whatever happened. But yeah, I'm gonna let my car cool down. I don't know who else is gonna run, but I think I'm done. I don't know, unless someone else calls me out. But that was a good ass run. Shout out to him. Some friendlies.
40 and 50.
Alright, that was a good run though, bro.
Yeah, dude, that's
sure.
good shit, good shit. Nice,
Yeah. Alright guys, so basically that was it for tonight. I think, well yeah, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna head out to go eat. Hey, so Whataburger? Alright, bet. But yeah, man. But yeah, everybody's following behind me. We're gonna go eat some water beezy. And I'll pick up the camera once we get over there. We'll talk about the races and all that over there. Update y'all, and then probably head home after, call it a night. But yeah, see y'all once we get a Whataburger. Alright guys, so I already ate Whataburger and stuff. I just finished eating, but some guy, I'm gonna go to Whataburger, some guy was just bunny hopping me and everything. And I didn't like how he was disrespecting me. So I messaged him. I was like, oh, I wasn't gonna run because I had already ran earlier and I was just trying to like chill, you know. And he messaged me the little chicken emojis, basically calling me a chicken. So he was disrespecting me again. And he was like, well, I'm here waiting for you. Like basically he was waiting for me. He went and it's because they were flashing me in my bed. But there, and then he's coming back over here to meet me, where he's gonna meet me or whatever at the spot. We're gonna meet him at a gas station. Well, he wants to run me. Like he's been wanting to run me super bad, from what I know or heard of, and he's pretty fast. He's full bolt-on, he has suspension work, and he has a lot. I think he has other things. He has 355 gears. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know the outcome. I'm honestly, like, I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie. But yeah, we got the gang behind me. Right now I'm gonna meet up with him, and then I'll go ahead and ask him what he has and stuff, and then I'll let y'all know, and then we're gonna head to Mexico again and see what happens from there. You'll see the runs right now in a bit. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Good from back there?
Yeah, good, brother. No one except he's good. We're back here.
We did a 40, but I got him. Alright guys. That guy was full bolt-on, a V6 with suspension and all that. I don't know exactly, but he did tell me he was full bolt-on V6. His car is clean, I'm gonna give him that. And he had 355 gears. And yeah, as y'all can see in the video, I got that dub. Honestly, I was pretty nervous. I didn't think I was gonna get him, but I ended up getting him. So yeah, I mean, y'all know how hyped it was during that, because I was a bit scared, and what he was telling me, like, shit. Alright guys, y'all saw those runs. Full bolts on 3.7 with 355s. I have 373s. So if you're ever wondering what gears to get for your V6, 373s for the win, baby. Now I'm nervous. He said, well, he barely told me right now after a long time from driving back from X. He said that his call stalled. So I don't know, we're gonna run again, quick 40, and then I'm out. GG. Like work. I don't think he's falling down when he can't say no. I didn't see his car pull back.